Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need developer access and ADB ready. First, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging on so the device accepts ADB commands. Next, connect the device to your computer with USB and confirm a DB devices lists it. This proves the bootstrapped connection. Once done, leave USB connected while you run the command to enable TCPIP on port 5555. This step tells Android to listen for network ADB connections, which is necessary before switching to wireless control. With TCP mode active, you must identify the device IP so you can point ADB at it. Open Wi-Fi details or run a DB shell IPFNet or show WLAN 0 to get the address. Make sure the device remains on the same network as your PC. Then run a DB connect device IP 5555. You'll see a success message when connected. Once connected wirelessly, you can unplug USB. Bluetooth or sleep can disrupt this, so keep the screen awake while finalizing. Now finalize by unplugging the USB cable and validating a DB devices shows the device IP. This confirms wireless debugging is active. When finished, run a DB disconnect IP 5555 or a DB USB to switch back to USB mode as needed. If you hit trouble, remember, most failures stem from different subnets, firewall blocking port 5555, or the device sleeping. So ensure both devices share the same network. Disable restrictive file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.